Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've just wrapped up a website project and it's time to hand it over to your client, you want the process to be smooth, secure, and professional. Today I'm showing you exactly how to hand over a site to clients using Wix Studio, your full 2025 guide. Follow along and you'll be able to pass control of any site to your client in just a few clicks. First, head over to Wix Studio and log into your account. If your Wix account is already tied to Google, I recommend clicking Continue with Google. It's quick, safe, and keeps everything in one place. Once logged in, you'll land right on the Wix Studio dashboard, which displays every site you manage. Next, look to the left sidebar and select the Sites tab. This shows a list of all your websites. Scroll or search for the specific project you want to hand off. When you find it, hover your cursor over the site name. Open the invitation window. As you hover, you'll notice a little people icon appear. Click that icon to open the Invite People window. This is where you officially set up access for your client. Enter the client's email in the invite box. Type in your client's email address or multiple addresses if you're handing it over to a team. Double-check spelling here. A single typo can delay the entire process, so accuracy is key. Assign the right role. Now, under Role, choose Admin Co-Owner. This role gives your client almost the same level of control as you, including the ability to edit, update, and manage the site fully. It's perfect for a complete handover while still keeping your professional setup intact. Send the invite. Finally, click Send Invite. Wix Studio immediately emails your client a secure invitation link. All they need to do is open the email, accept the invitation, and they'll have full administrative access to the site. And that's it. Your client now has full control of their website without you having to transfer ownership manually or mess with complicated settings. Super clean, super fast. If this guide helped you, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step Wix Studio and web design tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck with your next project handover.